What's going on, everyone, and welcome to Yota Xpedition. In this video, we're going to be installing some taillights from Morimoto. These are the XB taillights for the 3rd gen Tacoma, so let's get into it.
Alright, so to get the taillights out here on the Tacoma is very simple. We have two 10mm bolts that we need to take out. We got the one here at the top and the one here all the way at the bottom. Let's go ahead and get those removed. So with both of those bolts removed, the only thing holding the taillight in now is a couple of clips. So all you gotta do is pull the taillight straight out towards you to remove those clips. One at the top. There we go. Pull it out, and we'll go ahead and unplug these. So we got the taillight out. Now sometimes when you pop this out, the piece that's supposed to be staying in the metal itself on the bedside comes out with the light. So you can see we have this black piece here on the clip. We're gonna go ahead and remove that and reinstall it back here into the Tacoma. We're gonna go ahead and just push that right back in. So we got the OEM one here, and we have the new one from Morimoto. These lenses have scratches all over them. I don't know how that happened. So we have our new taillight over here. Put a rag down just so we don't scratch up the lens. And we should just be able to plug and play all of these into our factory harness. There is a plug here at the top of the taillight that has an extra plug on it, and what this is for is if you want to switch it from sequential just to a regular turn signal. So we're going to leave it how it is. It should be set to sequential. We'll go ahead and test that a little bit later. So that goes in there. We got the triangle plug. That goes in there. Does that go in there? No. Does that just say? There it is. It was hiding. There we go. Click that in there. Should be good. Let's just do a quick test. Nice. All right, so we know the taillights are working. We'll go ahead and tuck all of our wiring in there. There's a little bit of extra wire, so make sure it doesn't get pinched. Get our pegs lined up. Snap it in place, and we'll get those 2 bolts reinstalled. All right, be careful not to over tighten those bolts. This side's done. We'll go ahead and get the passenger side done.
That's going to be it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any questions about these taillights or the install, ask down below in the comments. And if you want to pick a set of these up or anything else for your Toyota, head over to yotaxpedition.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.